Hi, today we're going to be installing this trailer tongue shorelander anti-slip mat set. This is a 2021 AR195 by Yamaha, and let me go ahead and show you what comes in the kit. There are a few extra pieces because there are some variations in the trailer. This one in particular I'm not using because it has these cutouts. This one goes here. If you had a different trailer that would fit a little bit better. This is the one that I actually need. Comes with some parts that go here. Has a shorter one if you're trying to match the distance between here and here. I know some people are OCD about stuff like that. It also comes with this piece that fits and fills up this space better, which is probably what I'm going to do. Sure, it doesn't exactly match up over here, but I'd rather have a little bit more safety there. And it has this piece here that goes up top there. You could mount it higher if you wanted to and totally clear the sticker. Or you can put it down here. Sounds like I've got a bee situation. Here's a bit of a different angle so you can see what I mean here. Can fit the width of my thumb there. If I were to use this other piece, it's a little bit wider than my thumb, and get that lined up, then it's roughly the same spacing between here as it is there. And like I said, some people are very concerned about that sort of thing. Does it look better? I think it does look a little bit better, but like I was mentioning, I'd rather have just a slight bit more anti-slip material, even though this doesn't totally match up. And then also up here, you can put this here towards the end and round it around the corner. Or you could put it higher up and clear the sticker if you cared about that sticker. My thoughts are, I want it down here because when I climb out of this boat, it's okay, honey. When I'm climbing up into the boat, I'm probably going to be stepping down here. I can't really get my foot way up here. I'm going to be hitting the boat. Same with when I climb over. Now, I did get out of the boat once to help my wife with the winch, and the boat was wet and I slipped. Luckily, my butt landed up here on top of the boat, up on the bow, and I didn't fall down. So I don't know, I paid like 30, 40 bucks for these for the cost of this set. This is really good. Potentially save you a trip to the ER and a lot of pain. I'm going to see about just peeling these stickers off. I don't think it's going to be an issue. I'd rather take them off than cover them up. I mean, it kind of ripped when it came off, but for now I'm just going to move it up here, up to the top, and maybe I'll just leave it there so that I can still read this. It actually stuck back down really well. Okay, so now I've got this piece that I've got to get it all lined up, but first, and these do, by the way, have some sticky tape on the back. I've got an alcohol swab. I'm going to wipe this down. Make sure I don't have any oil or anything on there, and I may just wipe it down a second time. This one's probably the most important of all these. It's the sketchiest step when you're climbing in or out of the boat from the front. Now, I am aware that they make some steps, like some ladders that you can bolt on to your trailer. For now, this is just what I'm planning to do, shy of doing anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start peeling off the stickers down here, down lower. Now, I do feel like these are important stickers, so I'm going to pull it off and stick it to the side if it comes off as nicely as that other one did. Not sure if it will or not. No, it's not coming off as nice as that other one. We're a little bit more careful with that. I gotta go down there. But this still actually came off in readable condition, so I'm going to go ahead and stick it on the side. Okay, I've got this off now. I'm going to go ahead and get it more or less where I want it. I'm going to try to have about the same margin here as I do on the sides. I'm going to give it a good push for about 30 seconds, kind of all over, especially on the sides and in the corners. Okay, that doesn't seem to be going anywhere, and it is stuck all the way down. These actually look like they'd both be better suited for the other side. I realize a lot of people would just throw these away, but I'm thinking maybe for the next owner, and in case we ever forget some of these things, it'd be nice to have them on here.
Dad, my chalk piece! It's running away. My chalk piece ran away, Dad.
That's okay, honey.
Ah! So much stuff is going away.
Okay, it's a lot of stickers, but they are still there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the rest of this. I do want this to be a permanent installation, so that's hence the alcohol. Don't want these to pill up for any reason. Same thing, I'm gonna hold this down for about 30 seconds.
Come on, little bud. Get up. Dad, can woolly pulleys flip over by themselves?
I think so, honey. All right, that looks nice. I'm gonna step on up, see how it feels. Yeah, I could have just stood on this instead of pushed on it. And yeah, so I've got that step. It would make 0 sense to put it all the way back there. It's a little tricky getting up in there, but same thing coming down. Reach down, find that step. Hold on to the boat. And make the way down. This one. Whoops. This one doesn't seem to be as much of a use, but at least it is still that horizontal surface to step on. Overall, I'm happy about this, and hopefully it'll save us a fall or two. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Go check out my other Yamaha boat videos, things I love about my 2021 AR195, things I don't like, things I've done to it to make it a little bit more unique and more functional. And also let me know down in the comments that you would like for me to continue to do more videos. Thanks a lot, and hope you have a great day. Adios, que se va bien. Adieu.